Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to clean ceiling marks in Photoshop. Open your image and zoom into dirty spots. Select a soft clone stem brush. Clean ceiling paints. Paint gently over marks, keep strokes consistent and smooth, adjust brush size for corners, lower opacity for subtle blending, fix uneven paint textures, zoom new areas for variety and zoom out to check uniformity. Add more strokes where shadows appear, blend transitions naturally, keep the ceiling looking clean and your ceiling becomes spotless. Thanks for watching.